What are you good at?
Like eating and sleeping.
Okay. And what are you not good at?
Everything.
Tell me the name of this bird by looking at its legs.
I don't know.
You failed. What's your name?
Look at my legs and you'll know.
Say Coca-Cola without your lips touching. Now say it normal.
Coca-Cola.
Your lips never touch, fool.
What do you mean?
Most of the people write congrats in a text because they don't know the spelling of congratulations.
Hey, I love you.
Oh my god, what a coincidence. I also love myself.
When people call you extra, just look them in their face and say, am I extra or are you basic?
Restaurants always have food on the floor. Saloons always have hair on the floor. Petrol stations always have oil on the floor. Thanks. What's the problem?